To remove the underbody trays, you're going to want to first safely jack up and support your car. For additional assistance with that task, please follow the link provided at the end of this video. The 944-951 came with a front splitter or under tray that managed the airflow as it entered the front of the vehicle. The area in red indicates where this tray should be. If the car is new to you and missing the tray, like our project car, you should replace it. The tray cleans up the underbody airflow as well as protects the area from road dirt and debris. Failure to run the vehicle with the tray will result in increased lift at the front end at highway speeds. The tray is mounted to the front as well as the wheel well liners. With the tray off, you can see the frontal area that is open to debris as well as a large volume of area for turbulence, which causes lift. The engine tray is held in place by 7 10mm bolts indicated by the red arrows. The yellow arrow indicates where the front tray mounts to the radiator. Use a 10mm socket and remove the bolts, red arrows. Leave one bolt on the front and rear finger tight until you are ready to remove the tray. Carefully lower the tray, red arrow. Use caution here as oil, dirt, and debris can accumulate on the tray. You do not want it dropping on you. With the engine tray off, you can see all of the components you have access to. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.